Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to tell you about a web-based tool that I've been using for years to keep track of information. So I'm about to describe in one of my tutorials information about ACT that you need to keep a record of. It's login information and certain web addresses or URLs that you're going to have to come back to. The problem is if you keep that information in ACT, well, if you can't open ACT for whatever reason, or the timing is off, you're sort of stuck. So this tool called Evernote is web-based, it's free, and they also have an app that I have downloaded onto my smartphone. Evernote allows me to keep track of information that in essence I can get to anywhere. So for example, I could create a note called ACT login information and connection information or something of that nature. And I could put it in here so that when I need that information and I can't get into ACT, I can put it into Evernote. So Evernote has been a tool I've been using a long time. Highly recommend it. It's free, and I think it's worth taking a look at. Ladies and gentlemen, have a great day. Bye now.